Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will guide you how to increase group members from the USA. You are doing business in the US market. A group with many Americans participating will help you sell more conveniently. However, you do many things, but the number of people participating in the group from the US is very small. Don't worry, today I will guide you how to increase group members from the USA in just a few simple steps. Before that, please visit the link that I left in the description or comment. Next, download the extension. Then go to the extension section as the video tutorial. Remember to enable developer mode. Next, open the file you just downloaded. Right-click on the extension and select WinRAR, then select Extract here. Wait a moment, two files will appear. One file is the extension, one file is the text that I have prepared for you. Next, drag and drop the extension as in the video. Now pin the extension to the toolbar. Then click on the extension icon on the toolbar. Now enter your group ID in the first box. Next, enter your FB ID or FB profile link in the second box. In the third box, enter United States. The extension will help you suggest your group to people from the United States who have similar behavior and interests as the members who have joined your group. Remember to check the box and follow the instructions. Now, you wait for about 1 to 2 hours and then go back to the group. You will see the number of group members from the United States increase. Note that this increase will last for 24 hours. However, the number of members joining the group also depends on the attractiveness of the post in the group because these are real users. However, this method can only be done once a month. Should not be done too much because it is easy to make the group lose recommendations. Note, if it is not successful, try again after 1 to 2 hours and succeed because at the time you do it, there may be many people using the extension. This will cause system congestion. During this process, please do not use other extensions to avoid conflicts. You can see that the number of members joining my group from the US has increased. Our video ends here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and we will answer them.